Science Journal for Kids and Teens presents How Do Cuttlefish Trick Their Prey? Read by Miranda Wilson. Abstract. Predators and prey are in conflict with each other. Predators try to catch prey, while prey try to avoid predators. Predators can blend into their surroundings and wait for prey to get close. Or predators can chase their prey. Some predators will even sneak up on their prey before chasing it. Camouflage can help these predators be more successful. One predator that uses camouflage is the cuttlefish, but we don't know much about how they hunt in the wild. So, we observed broadclub cuttlefish on coral reefs in the Indo-Pacific. We saw 4 different hunting displays. We also saw individual cuttlefish using multiple displays in different moments. This information can help us better understand predator behavior on coral reefs. Introduction. Have you ever played tag before? If you're really fast, you might be able to catch your friends. But what if you could use camouflage and sneak up on them? Then you would always be the winner, no matter how fast you were. Many predators use a similar strategy to hunt their prey. There are 2 main types of predators. Camouflage can help them be more successful. Ambush predators camouflage themselves and wait until prey come close enough to attack. In contrast, pursuit predators seek out their prey like in a game of tag. Pursuit predators can be faster than their prey, like sharks and cheetahs. Pursuit predators could also have more endurance than their prey. Some pursuit predators, like wolves, even use teamwork to hunt. Many pursuit predators try to sneak up on their prey undetected before attacking. One predator that does this is the cuttlefish. Cuttlefish are cephalopods. They are related to octopuses and squids. They have chromatophores. These are special cells that change color. All the cuttlefish has to do is flex muscles in their skin. They also have papillae that change the texture of their skin. Cuttlefish use camouflage to get near prey on coral reefs. Once they are close enough, they attack. We wanted to know what sorts of camouflage are used by hunting cuttlefish to get near their prey. We also wanted to see what might influence these different displays. So, we took a team to the Indo-Pacific region to observe broadclub cuttlefish, Sepia latimanus, in the wild. In this image, you can see the cuttlefish strikes its prey. The animal is coming from the upper left of the image, and there are 2 long arms pointed down to the bottom right of the image, where there is a prey animal. Methods. We observe broadclub cuttlefish on coral reefs in eastern Indonesia. We attach live crabs to the reef for cuttlefish to hunt. We used purple mangrove crabs and mottled crabs. The purple mangrove crab has a harder shell, or carapace. We recorded 254 hunting displays by cuttlefish from May 2023 to May 2024. These displays were from 98 different individuals. We saw 4 different types of hunting displays. We used our data to calculate the probability that we would see each of the displays. Then we looked to see if this was different between male and female cuttlefish. We also looked to see if it was different between the 2 types of crabs. We saw many of the same cuttlefish multiple times, so we also used our data to see how many different displays individual cuttlefish used. Results. The 4 different hunting displays we saw were 1. Leaf. The cuttlefish often changed to an olive green color. They stretched their arms out to the sides. They then approached prey slowly. 2. Passing stripe. The cuttlefish changed to a grayish-white color with moving black stripes. They stretched their arms out to the sides. They then attacked prey from straight on. 3. Branching coral. The cuttlefish had a variety of camouflage colors. They stretched their arms up and out to the sides. Sometimes they stretched them downward. They either attacked fast or slow. 4. Pulse. The cuttlefish turned a grayish-white color with dark moving pulses. They pointed 6 arms forward into a cone shape and the 2 middle arms upward and out to one side. We also saw some cuttlefish switching between different hunting displays. We called these mixed displays. The probability that cuttlefish used leaf, passing stripe, and branching coral displays was 22 to 29%. For pulse and mixed displays, it was 10 to 13%. We saw leaf displays in female cuttlefish 13% more often than in males. We also saw cuttlefish using branching coral displays 12% more often when hunting purple mangrove crabs. These crabs have a harder carapace. We saw 62 cuttlefish more than once. Of these, 79% showed 2 or more of the different hunting displays. Here in Figure 1, you can see the probability of hunting displays seen in cuttlefish. On the x-axis, you can see the 5 different categories of displays. Under the name of the first 4 categories are images showing what the cuttlefish actually looks like in the display. From left to right, the categories are leaf, passing stripe, branching coral, and pulse. On the y-axis is the probability of each display occurring. Looking at the graph, which hunting display were the cuttlefish most likely to use? What about the least likely? Discussion. We observed a wide variety of hunting behaviors in wild cuttlefish. We think that the hunting displays may provide different types of camouflage. In the leaf display, cuttlefish seem to mimic a floating mangrove leaf. They adopt the same color and use the same motion as a drifting mangrove leaf. The branching coral display looks like the coral reef background. Although these incredible displays stand out vividly to us, prey animals don't spot them. This makes it much easier for cuttlefish to sneak up on their prey. They may also help cuttlefish avoid their own predators. We saw that individual cuttlefish used a combination of hunting displays. Individual cuttlefish don't seem to have favorites. It also means that cuttlefish are flexible in their behaviors. Each display may allow them to sneak up on their prey in a different way. This could explain why some cuttlefish used a mixed display. They may also use different displays to keep prey from getting used to one. Or cuttlefish might just be indecisive. In the future, we would like to explore why cuttlefish chose each of the 4 displays. Is it related to cuttlefish size or prey size? Is it connected to what the habitat looks like? Or is it related to the type of prey and their behavior? This information will help us better understand how and why predators behave the way they do. Conclusion. The predatory behavior of the cuttlefish reminds us that appearances can be deceiving, not only in the animal world, but in our everyday lives. What seems eye-catching to us might be completely different to someone else. This depends on how they see or experience the world. Like a cuttlefish's colorful display can fool its prey, we should remember that others might notice things we overlook. You can apply this in your own life too. Keep an open mind, ask questions, and consider other people's perspectives before jumping to conclusions. It's a powerful way to build empathy and fully understand the world. Thank you for listening to this recording. This work has been adapted from the original peer-reviewed paper in the journal Ecology, published on February 18, 2025. Research conducted by Martin Howe, Matteo Santon, and others from the School of Biological Sciences at the University of Bristol in the UK. See the full list of authors and their affiliations in the accompanying PDF. Please visit our website, sciencejournalforkids.org, for more free science teaching resources. Hey everyone, we're a small nonprofit and all of our resources are free. So if you like what you see, please subscribe and share.